Hello guys, this is Alex again, and this is a quick video on the Citroen Berlingo and Peugeot partner. They're the same. 2003 diesel alternator. So just a quick one. You obviously need to take the wheel off and take the auxiliary belt off first by using a 50mm spanner. Get on there and turn it anti-clockwise. It lifts it up, and then you can pull the belt off. You still have to take the tensioner off, which is held by one of them. I think that is 8. Yeah, that's 8. So that comes out of there, because you need to take it off to get to this bolt there. There's 16mm on one, like 4 of them, 2 of them on the outside, and 2 of them locating ones on the inside, on the oil filter side. You can get them without taking the oil filter out. Then you can have a little wire going there with 30mm nut and a little plug. So you take them off first. Disconnect the battery before you start doing this, by the way. Sorry about that, should have said that first. And yeah, it's pretty easy. You can see that one bolt goes in there, the other bolt goes at the top there. That's the new one. Just check if they're the same. So they are pretty much the same. Like I said, 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then just get everything back together. Put the belt on, connect the battery, start it up, and see if your battery light comes off of the dash. That means it's charging, everything's fine. But you can double check it using multimeter, put on voltage, and just put the lights on while it's running, and check the battery voltage, and it should be above 12.4. I'm pretty sure it will be when you replace it, unless you got a problem with your wiring, which is the first thing to check before you take the alternator off, is to check this plug and the wire if they're all good. And that's pretty much it, guys. So thank you much for watching. It's fucking hot today, got 32 degrees inside, so still managed to make a video, and hopefully you enjoy it, guys, and this will help you. Like I said, I already done a video on the starter motor on the same van, and you can find that. So yeah, like I said, guys, first disconnect the battery, please, because that's quite important, and then do what I showed you here. Like I said, 60mm, 15 on there, that's 8, and 13 on there. And don't forget to connect everything back up, and hopefully you can manage this, guys, and save you a few quid. Right, thank you much, guys, for watching. Subscribe if this was helpful, share it with your friends, and let me know if you need any more help. Thank you much for watching, and have a good day. Bye.